Welcome to Curious Minds, the show where we uncover the stories behind the science, technology, and ideas quietly shaping our world. I'm Aditi, your host, guiding you through today's deep dive into the complex dance between rapid innovation and the regulations trying to keep pace. Before we begin, a quick note. This episode is crafted with the help of artificial intelligence to ensure accuracy and engagement. Imagine waking up to a flood of messages. Your phone buzzing non-stop with a shocking video of your country's leader. Your heart skips a beat. Is this real? Government scramble, experts rush to verify. But the twist? It's not real at all. It's generated by artificial intelligence. A perfect illusion, a new kind of power. This isn't just a story about technology. It's a story about trust, about who controls the stories that shape our lives, our politics, and our future. And it's a story about us. Because the future we build depends on the choices we make today. But this incredible technology comes with dark shadows. Evil actors exploit it relentlessly. Remember the deepfake video of the Canadian Prime Minister that shook social media, a fabricated message meant to deceive millions? Or the rise of WhatsApp deepfake video calls, used by scammers impersonating loved ones to coerce money transfers, which destroyed livelihoods in seconds? Cybercrime is surging. In 2024, financial frauds using AI-generated voices mimicked corporate leaders to authorize fake fund transfers worth millions. Identity thefts and scams are evolving with AI's precision, targeting users faster than ever before. These high-profile cases are warning signs for regulators worldwide, demanding faster and smarter action. Let's rewind. The digital revolution began long before AI. The internet brought chat rooms and emails. Innocent fun on the surface. But behind the scenes, user data was quietly harvested, often from children without consent. Governments realized, freedom without responsibility breeds chaos. So in 1998, the United States passed the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, drawing boundaries without halting progress. The 2010s brought social media's rise to dominance. Our digital footprints became currency. The Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018 exposed just how dangerous that could be. Europe responded with GDPR by 2020, declaring data was yours, not a commodity. Corporations faced heavy penalties for violations. The message was clear: innovation must be built on trust. Then came cryptocurrency, the wild frontier of digital finance. It promised freedom from banks, transparency, and empowerment. And for a while it looked unstoppable, until scams and market crashes exposed its cracks. Europe acted again with MiCA, the Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, in 2023. It didn't ban crypto, it disciplined it. The idea was simple: innovation needs rules, or it becomes chaos with code. Cybersecurity, once a niche topic, became a national priority. Schools began teaching digital ethics, helping the next generation ask, not just can we build this, but should we? Governments and companies launched AI transparency frameworks, ensuring that when content is AI made, it's clearly labeled. The goal isn't censorship. It's clarity. A way to stay human in a synthetic world. That's the Western rhythm. Explore boldly, fall hard, learn fast, and regulate wisely. The East took a different path. Stability before speed. China's digital economy exploded, but so did its guardrails. The Cybersecurity Law of 2017 and the Data Security Law of 2021 redefined control, deciding who owns data, where it's stored, and who can access it. Crypto, banned by 2021. AI-generated media, mandated with visible watermarks to ensure authenticity. For China, innovation isn't forbidden. It's supervised. Progress, yes. But within order. And then there's India, the world's largest digital democracy. A nation of 1 billion people online, where fintech, education, and health tech are transforming daily life. But growth brought risk, scams, leaks, and misuse. India's answer was balance. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023 made consent the foundation of the digital economy. It gave citizens control over their data and made companies accountable for its misuse. Through regulatory sandboxes, startups can test new ideas safely under government oversight, a space where innovation grows responsibly. And in 2024, India's AI-powered fraud monitoring network began scanning billions of transactions daily, catching irregularities before they turn into crimes. That's innovation with purpose. Now step back and look at the big picture. The world's regulatory map tells a story. Innovation sparks opportunity. Opportunity brings risk. Risk demands regulation. And regulation, when done right, restores trust. Europe emphasizes fairness. The United States bets on transparency. India experiments with balance. China enforces control. Different philosophies but one goal: responsibility in the age of AI. Can we protect innovation without suffocating it? Can we build trust without slowing progress? Too many rules could choke small innovators. Too few could let monopolies reign. The challenge isn't choosing between freedom and control. It's learning how to have both. There's a saying, if you're not at the table, you're on the menu. And in this new digital world, that couldn't be truer. Because the future won't be written by technology alone. It will be written by people, by the voices that speak up, the policies that evolve, and the choices we make together. So stay curious, stay engaged. Ask questions. Because silence is not neutrality, it's surrender. Thank you for being part of Curious Minds. I'm Aditi, and I look forward to our next conversation.